Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. First up, then down will it go up again video.http ntvforex.com news ID 9692b5. 7/15/2020 10:36:42 am. US dollar September USD down at 95.925 Energies August 20 crude is up at 40.78 Financials The September 2030 year bond is down 4 ticks and trading at 180.05 Indices The September S&P 500 MNIES contract is 84 ticks higher and trading at 3204.50 Gold The August 20 gold contract is trading up at 1,814.10. Gold is 7 ticks lower than its close. Initial conclusion. This is not a correlated market. The dollar is down and crude is up, which is normal, and the 30-year bond is trading lower. The financials should always correlate with the US dollar such that if the dollar is lower then bonds should follow and vice versa. The S&P is higher and crude is trading higher, which is not correlated. Gold is trading higher, which is correlated with the US dollar trading down. I tend to believe that gold has an inverse relationship with the US dollar, as when the US dollar is down, gold tends to rise in value and vice versa. Think of it as a seesaw, when one is up the other should be down. I point this out to you to make you aware that when we don't have a correlated market, it means something is wrong. As traders you need to be aware of this and proceed with your eyes wide open. At this time all of Asia is trading higher with the exception of the Shanghai, which is fractionally lower. Currently all of Europe is trading higher with the exception of the Spanish IBEX exchange, which is fractionally lower. Possible challenges to traders today. Empire State MFG index is out at 8:30 am Estate. This is major. Import prices is out at 8:30 am Estate. This is major. Industrial production is out at 9:15 am Estate. This is major. Capacity utilization rate is out at 9:15 am Estate. This is major. Crude oil inventories is out at 10:30 am Estate. This is major. FOMC member Harker speaks at 12 noon Estate. Major. Beige book is out at 2 p.m. Estate. This is major. Treasuries. We elected to switch gears a bit and show correlation between the 30-year bond ZB and the S&P futures contract. The S&P contract is the Standard & Poor's and the purpose is to show reverse correlation between the two instruments. Remember, it's likened to a seesaw. When up goes up the other should go down and vice versa. Yesterday the ZB made its move at around 8 am Estate. The ZB hit a low at around that time and the S&P moved lower. If you look at the charts below, ZB gave a signal at around 8 am Estate and the S&P moved lower at around the same time. Look at the charts below and you'll see a pattern for both assets. ZB hit a low at around 8 am Estate and the S&P was moving lower shortly thereafter. These charts represent the newest version of multi-charts and I've changed the time frame to a 15-minute chart to display better. This represented a long opportunity on the 30-year bond. As a trader you could have netted about 20 ticks per contract on this trade. Each tick is worth $31.25. Please note the front month for the ZB is now September 20. The S&P contract has been changed to September 20. I've changed the format to Renko bars such that it may be more apparent and visible. Charts courtesy of multi-charts built on an AMP platform. ZB September 2027 14:20. S&P September 2027 14:20. Bias. Yesterday we gave the markets a neutral bias as we didn't see any evidence of correlation yesterday, hence the neutral bias. The Dow closed higher by 557 points and the other indices closed higher as well. Today we aren't dealing with a correlated market and our bias is to the upside. Could this change? Of course. Remember, anything can happen in a volatile market. Commentary. Yesterday morning the indices initially looked as though it would go higher and yet when the opening bell rang it rose, then dropped, and then after an hour or so it advanced and stayed in positive territory. The reason why we give a neutral is to show that the markets aren't sold on direction and could go anywhere and very often does. Such was the case yesterday and I believe that trend was difficult to determine at best. On such days it's best to keep your powder dry and fight another day when the odds are in your favor. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.